To be, sein. In previous lessons, you learned how to say I am, ich bin, you are, du bist, he is, ist, she is, sie ist, it is, es ist, that is, das ist, we are, wir sind, and now we're going to learn how to ask the question, are we? So we are is wir sind. Remember to ask the question, simply reverse the word order, verb first, then subject pronoun. So are we is sind wir, sind wir. Notice the pronunciation of the S, z, sind. Notice the pronunciation of the D, sind. And notice the pronunciation of the W, wir, wir, sind wir. Are we? Sind wir. Let's apply what you learned. To be, sein, are we, sind wir, happy, froh, and a little bit of new vocabulary, ready in the sense of ready to do something, bereit, bereit, tired, müde, müde, finished or done, fertig, fertig. Now to ask the question, are we happy? You would say, sind wir froh? Sind wir froh? Are we ready? Sind wir bereit? Sind wir bereit? Are we tired? Sind wir müde? Sind wir müde? Are we done? Sind wir fertig? Sind wir fertig? Or remember, that's also, are we finished? Sind wir fertig? Okay, well that's it for this lesson. To continue to the next, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.